4 years old. Today is super special because it's Black History Month.
That's right, Zoe. We're going to learn about some amazing African American heroes.
Wow, a magical train. Can we go on it, Ms. Sabrina?
Of course, Zoe. This train will take us through time to meet some incredible people.
Look, it's Rosa Parks. She's not moving from her seat on the bus.
Sometimes standing up for what's right means sitting down.
Now we're meeting Martin Luther King Jr. He's talking about his dream.
I have a dream that one day little children like you, Zoe, will be judged not by the color of their skin but by the content of their character.
Wow, it's Mae Jemison in space.
Never be limited by other people's limited imaginations. If you can dream it, you can become it.
Oh look, teacher, it's Harriet Tubman.
Every great dream begins with a dreamer. Always remember, you have within you the strength, the patience, and the passion to reach for the stars to change the world.
And now we're meeting Barack Obama.
Yes, we can. We can make a difference, no matter how young we are.
Teacher, all these people are so amazing. They changed the world.
That's right, Zoe, and you can change the world too.
I want to be just like them when I grow up. I'm so proud to be who I am.
Remember, Zoe, every day is a chance to make history.